Making sense of as. Mastering prepositions of manner. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating exploration of prepositions of manner, specifically focusing on the preposition as. The usage of as can sometimes be confusing, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use it in your everyday conversations and writings. As is a preposition, a conjunction, and an adverb. But in today's video, we will focus on as a preposition of manner. As helps us to describe the way in which something happens or the way in which it is done. As is typically used to compare and show similarity between actions, behavior, or states. Let's have a look at some examples. 1. He works as a teacher. 2. She can sing as well as Beyoncé. 3. I did it as you advised. These sentences all use as to describe the manner of the action. Sometimes, as is followed by a clause. Here are some examples. 1. As I was leaving, the phone rang. 2. He watched her as she disappeared around the corner. These sentences use as to tell the manner in which the events are happening simultaneously. As is commonly used in similes, which are a way to compare two things. Here are some examples. 1. She's as cunning as a fox. 2. He's as strong as an ox. In these sentences, as is used to compare the attributes of people to animals. Now, let's practice what we've learned. Try to fill in the blanks with the appropriate usage of as. 1. He dressed ____ a clown for the party. 2. She ran ____ fast ___ a cheetah. 3. Do it ___ I showed you. Check your answers at the end of the video. So there you have it, folks. That was a brief journey exploring the preposition of manner, as. I hope this lesson has helped you to understand its usage more clearly. Don't forget to practice using as in your daily conversations and writings. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and keep learning English. Answers to the exercise. 1. As. 2. As. 3. As.